Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this particular video we are going to be diving deep into the best trading view strategies that can help you level up your chart analysis and make more confident trading decisions. All right, now as you will know already, TradingView is one of the most widely used platforms in the trading world. Okay, and it is that way for good reasons, right? The TradingView platform is actually powerful, it is user friendly, and it is packed with features that can turn plain charts into a complete trading system. And that is if you know how to use it properly, obviously. So that is one of the reasons why a lot of traders worldwide use TradingView for their analysis, right? So let us quickly start with the basics. One of the most essential parts of using TradingView effectively is indicators. Okay, indicators. Now, one of okay, a great starting point is combining moving averages with the relative strength index, or the RSI. If you are new to trading and you are confused on what indicators to use, the combination between the moving average and RSI is actually one of the common combinations that you can try out. It's a simple and straightforward strategy, actually. All right, the moving averages help you understand the overall direction of the market, while the RSI can signal whether the market is overbought or oversold. All right, so when you put these two together, you get a strong framework for spotting potential opportunities. Now, another one of the best trading view strategies involves using trend lines and chart patterns. All right, trend lines and chart patterns. Now, drawing trend lines on TradingView is simple but powerful at the same time. They can highlight support and resistance zones, helping you to recognize where the market might turn or continue. Okay? You just connect your highs and your lows. You can see here I connected these two highs. That gave me this trend line. You can see that it was respected here. Here I connected these two lows. You can see it was respected here. It was even respected here as well. All right. So this helps you recognize where the market might turn. When you have a rejection and price bounces back, or you have a breakout and price tests it and bounces off it. So that shows you possible turning points in the market. Now you combine this with classic patterns like triangles, head and shoulders, or flags. Those are chart patterns. There are different chart patterns out there. All right, so you want to combine your trend lines with chart patterns. Okay, and you have a clearer picture of potential breakouts or reversals. Okay, you can see in this particular case we even had a double bottom chart pattern around here. We had a double bottom and then we had a breakout from this bearish trend line. All right, and you can see breakout, retest. So this would have been a good opportunity, and you can see we even had a bullish engulfing around here. You can see how the chart patterns and the trend lines combined to give us a good entry point. Now watch this. There was a double bottom showing potential bullish reversal, right? And then there was a breakout from this bearish trend line. This is the second confluence, right? And then the third confluence was when we now had this bullish engulfing. Now, this would have been a good entry point. Stop loss below the pattern. right? Then your take profit, you can actually decide, because for these three patterns to align, it could mean that this is actually a bullish reversal. So this move might continue, and this is the 4-hour chart. So you can just decide to reference a 4-hour resistance. If you want, you can use this one that is close, the nearest one, or possibly even target this next one, because this move seems real. What I mean by real is it might actually continue for a while. You can see, so if you had targeted this resistance, you would have already hit take profit. If you had targeted this other resistance, you would have already hit take profit as well, or almost take profit, right? And you can see that's giving us a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, next, let us talk about Fibonacci retracements. Okay, now TradingView makes it easy to apply this tool to your charts. All right, Fibonacci levels can help you identify potential retracement zones. Okay, potential retracement zones where price may react before continuing in the main trend direction. So many traders use it to time entries or to set stop levels in a structured way. All right. Now, one of my favorite parts about TradingView is the alert system. Okay, you can see how how different alerts set up. In order for me to know when price gets to a particular price level. All right. So alerts are game changing because they allow you to step away from your screen while still staying updated on market movements. All right. You can set alerts on specific prices. For example, maybe my strategy is one that requires price to get to a particular point, and then I come look for a particular pattern before entering a trade, right? So let's say I'm expecting price to perhaps get this particular zone. Yeah, so maybe I want to look for a sell opportunity there. I can just set an alert. All right, so when price gets to that zone, I'm going to get an alert. Okay, and I come and do whatever I want to do, right? So this alert feature is one of the nice features on TradingView. Okay, this keeps you disciplined and helps you avoid emotional decisions by reacting only when your trading plans conditions are met. So when you combine these elements, your moving averages, RSI, trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and alerts, you start building a toolkit that transforms TradingView from just a charting app into a powerful strategy hub. Now, these methods aren't about predicting every move, but about structuring your analysis so that you can make informed decisions based on clear signals. Now, to wrap this up, the best TradingView strategies are the ones that keep things simple yet structured. All right, so you want to use a combination of reliable indicators, chart patterns, and alerts to stay on track. Okay, the goal is consistency, right? And TradingView provides the tools to help you build exactly that. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe so that you do not miss out on future trading content. And let me know in the comments, what is your go-to strategy on TradingView? I love to see what is working for you. All right. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.